Welcome to 1,000 Vlogs presentations. 12 amazing facts about attorney Rowena Guanzon. Rowena Guanzon had been an audit commissioner before taking office at the Philippine Commission on Elections in February 2015. 2. Rowena Guanzon was born on August 29, 1957, to the prominent Rowena Guanzon family of Negros Occidental, known for its sugarcane plantations. 3. Rowena Guanzon then took up economics at the University of the Philippines, Diliman, and upon graduation proceeded to earn her law degree from the University of the Philippines College of Law, graduating in the top 10 of her class and receiving a Dean's Medal. Rowena Guanzon was appointed mayor of Cadiz, Negros Occidental in 1986 under the Provisional Government of the Philippines, which was formed after the 1986 People Power Revolution that ousted the Marcos regime and led to the exile of Ferdinand Marcos. Rowena Guanzon was appointed after several other candidates had declined to be mayor of Cadiz, fearing violence from local strongman Armando Gustillo, who had played a key role in the Escalante massacre just a few months earlier in September 1985. Rowena Guanzon served as mayor until the end of her term in 1992. 7. Rowena Guanzon taught election law and local government at the University of the Philippines College of Law in Diliman. 8. Days before retirement, Rowena Guanzon publicly named fellow Commissioner Amy Farolino as the one delaying the decision in favor of Marcos before leaving the post. 9. Rowena Guanzon claimed that Farolino was purposely delaying her resolution regarding the disqualification case for Rowena Guanzon's vote to not be counted because of pending retirement. 10. Rowena Guanzon campaigned for the P3PWD party list during the 2020 House of Representatives elections, although she was not among the official nominees of the organization. 11. In 2024, the Supreme Court barred Rowena Guanzon from taking her congressional office by nullifying her nomination, citing grave abuse of discretion by Comlic in approving her substitution past the designated deadline. Rowena Guanzon is currently writing textbooks on the local government code for the University of the Philippines and the Auditing Code of the Philippines casebook. For more interesting subject and personalities, please do watch our other amazing facts series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1000 Vlogs.